the other 500.
Oh my gosh, it's like day and night. I'm honestly not lying.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video it's the start of a new series on the channel, and the series that I'm calling 250 BHP Abarth reactions. So I said it in my in one of my previous videos that I wanted to kind of capture what it would be like for people sitting in the passenger seat to experience what 250 BHP sounds like. So I'm hoping that in this series we will accomplish just that. Now, not only is this the start of a series, it's also the start of my first ever collaboration, and I've got a couple lined up, which is awesome. But I'm going to be teaming up with Zimba Motoring, who I met at Auto Italia. I've seen a few of his videos, and I'm going to be taking him out in the car and letting him experience what 250 BHP feels like. So guys, I am now here with Nez from Zimba Motoring. So this is my first collaboration. I am really excited. I don't know about you.
I can't wait. I can't wait. I've heard so much about this beast. I really can't wait to feel that 250 horsepower. It's going to be mega.
So the 250 BHP drive now with Nez to grab his reactions is going to be priceless, because you guys have seen my reaction in this car, but I'm the one driving it. And I suspect it's going to be quite different when you get someone like Nez in the passenger seat who has no idea what to expect. So are you ready?
Yes, come on, let's do it.
As well, so me and Nez are making a video together today. So once you've got this video on my channel, make sure to head over to Zimba Motoring to check out the other video from today over on Nez's, and I'll leave a link to all the descriptions below. Nez's Instagram, Nez's channel. Make sure to check out some of his videos. So Nez is now recording my car for his video, whilst I'm recording him recording a video for his channel. Very confusing stuff. This is what it's like to make YouTube videos, guys. Precision and planning are key. So Nez is about to introduce my va-va-voom in his video. Exciting times. So Nez is currently setting up his film equipment to get a couple of shots of the beast, and then we're going to jump in the car and I'm going to try and scare the hell out of him. Sticking to speed limits, of course. Alright, we're in the car, so I'm now with Nez.
Woo! I can't wait, mate.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, I'm ready.
We've got to do our pre-flight checks first, guys. Car on. Important button. TTC off. Right, let's do this.
Let's go, mate, let's go.
Let's do this. So, first collab, first reaction in my 250 BHP car. So you've driven an Abarth before, haven't you?
Yes, I have, yeah. I've driven an Abarth 500, funny enough, from the dealer not far from here.
Yeah.
And my first impressions from that video was great car, nice chassis, really like trackable, but a bit lacking in power. And I think I did it with Maisie.
Yeah, I remember that. And
that was the resulting emotion from that video. It wasn't, when I put my foot down, it took a while for the car to get going. So I think the problem's going to be fixed here.
I think you might be right. I think you might be right.
So it should be exciting.
I think so. Are you ready?
Let's go. Ready? Wow. It pulls, doesn't it?
It's quick, man.
And I was wheel spin as well.
That's the thing with this car. It just doesn't stop giving now. And I said it in like my previous videos.
Yeah.
And I've got low fuel already.
Uh-oh.
Fuel economy has dropped considerably in this.
0.1.
0.1. when you're making a YouTube collaboration, make sure you've got fuel.
Fuel in the car. Yeah. Oh, I love it. And you can hear that whistle, that turbo was.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
You can hear the pops and bangs out the exhaust as well.
Yeah.
You can hear it.
Oh, that blow off. Oh, and there's a guy looking, what the hell was that?
The amount of people that turn around now in this car is unbelievable, seriously.
Yeah, it really turned tense.
But you know, it's one of those things that the noise that comes out of this car shouldn't be coming out of this car.
No.
And I think when you sit in the car like you're doing now, you kind of understand now as to what it feels like, but the noise justifies the performance.
Yeah,
now.
definitely. Oh, guys, those pops.
They sound naughty.
They sound really good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
We like Flutter.
Oh, yeah, I like Flutter. Oh, guys, this is cool. Love it.
So how does it compare to the other 500?
Oh my gosh, it's like day and night. I'm honestly not lying. I'm not like trying to.
I haven't asked him to sit down and exaggerate on any of the reactions. That's why we've done this video first.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why we've done this video first.
Honestly, it's like instant power. And the noise, you know, for me, a part of the car's soul is how it sounds.
Yeah,
and
I agree.
Engine, it's like it wants to jump out of that engine bay. It's like the flutter, the whooshes. Oh, love it.
So you drive a Z4?
Yes, I do, yes.
How are you finding it?
Love it. Especially on a day like today, roof down.
Yes.
It's not as quick as this car, can I say? You definitely blow me out the weeds, but...
Yeah, but you've got a convertible in a day like for the 3 days a year that we should have a convertible. You're enjoying it
definitely,
today. But instead I've brought you into my sweatbox because right now we're having to have the windows closed because of the wind noise on the GoPro, and we are bloody melting.
Absolutely, I'm losing all that weight in sweat, so that's good.
So not only is this car fast, it also helps you lose weight.
Oh, absolutely. That's a bonus. Maybe I should get in a bath.
There you go.
I should.
Buy one. We are going places.
Woo! Jeez.
Yes, I did.
What?
Right, guys, we are now going to go and pull up. We're going to end the video. 1, because we are roasting. 2, because we need to make another video, which is Nez's one. And 3, I need to just get outside. It's too hot.
Some air.
It's too hot. Plug your channel. Tell my viewers what they could expect to see if they watch your channel.
Yes, guys. So my channel is all about my Z4, my experiences as well with different cars and car events. So yeah, please guys, make sure you head over to my channel. See what you think. If you like it, please subscribe. Expect some Z4 videos, some models, amazing, and yeah, just general test drives of different cars. But yeah, hopefully you like what you see, and if you do, please subscribe. But yeah, big thanks to Stef for allowing me to come down today. Love this car. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. Some great content. I'm absolutely glued to his channel. His Instagram is amazing.
Thanks, man. Feeling the love.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Team SABtv.
Team SABtv indeed.
And as I've said, guys, I'll leave the links to Nez's channel in the links below, Zimba Motorway. I don't really like doing collaborations with well, it's the first one, but I wouldn't collaborate with anyone unless, one, I like them and I like their content, and I like your stuff, mate.
Oh, thanks, man.
So guys, I think I'm going to end the video there. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like, share and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.